Imagine spending $800 today only to realize 3 years later your TV feels outdated, sluggish, and dim while your friend still looks incredible after nearly a decade. That's the reality thousands of shoppers face because they bought the biggest screen instead of the smartest television. Stores love flashy discounts and giant-sized tags, but they rarely talk about what happens after the honeymoon ends. Speed slows, apps lag, brightness fades, and suddenly replacing your bargain TV feels unavoidable. Meanwhile, someone who chose wisely is still enjoying crisp movies, smooth sports, and reliable performance years later. Today, we're cutting through the marketing noise to reveal the only 5 TVs under $1,000 truly worth keeping for 10 years. Surprisingly, several famous brands didn't survive our evaluation, and one TV everyone recommends missed the list completely. We'll explain exactly why, using real-world priorities instead of flashy promises. By the end, you'll know which features actually protect your investment and which specs simply waste your money. How long have you kept your current TV? Let us know below. Before we reveal the 5 winners, let's expose the biggest mistake shoppers make before they spend another dollar on a new television this year together first. The biggest lie is that a cheaper TV is automatically a smarter buy. Manufacturers and retailers know most shoppers compare price tags and screen sizes first, so that's exactly where the marketing battle happens. Bigger doesn't always mean better. 4K doesn't guarantee premium picture quality, and not every smart TV delivers the same experience. HDR logos can hide disappointing brightness, weak contrast, and washed-out colors. Even trusted brand names sometimes release entry-level models that cut corners in processing, durability, or software support. That's why 2 TVs with similar specifications can feel completely different after only a few years. Saving $150 today could cost you an entire new TV 5 years from now because the cheaper model becomes frustrating long before its hardware actually fails. Real value isn't about spending the least. It's about buying once and enjoying it for years without regret. Ignore the flashy stickers and focus on what lasts. That's exactly how we narrowed hundreds of options down to only 5 televisions worthy of this list. Each earned its place by balancing performance, reliability, software, and everyday ownership instead of empty marketing claims. So what actually makes a TV worth keeping for 10 years? Let's find out together. Before ranking a single TV, we asked a simple question. Would we still recommend this model to a friend 5 or even 10 years from now? If the answer wasn't a confident yes, it didn't make the cut. Picture quality was only the beginning. We also evaluated processing power, motion handling, HDR performance, gaming features, build quality, reliability history, software support, ease of use, overall value, future-proof connectivity, customer satisfaction, and each brand's long-term track record. Those factors matter far more than flashy marketing once you've lived with a TV every day. Our goal wasn't to find the cheapest television under $1,000. It was to find the one least likely to leave you with buyer's remorse years later. That's an important difference because the lowest price isn't always the best investment. In fact, some TVs scored incredibly high in picture quality but still failed because of long-term reliability, slow software, or inconsistent quality control. A beautiful screen means very little if the overall experience falls apart after a few years. With that standard in mind, let's look at the hidden features that separate a short-term bargain from a decade-long investment. Here's what separates a TV you'll love for years from one you'll regret long before it stops working. It isn't just resolution or screen size. Think about your smartphone. When it was new, everything felt fast and effortless. A few years later, apps took longer to open, updates slowed it down, and the experience simply wasn't the same. TVs can age exactly the same way. A powerful processor keeps menus responsive, improves picture processing, and helps new software run smoothly. Regular software updates add features, improve security, and keep streaming apps working properly. Local dimming and higher peak brightness make HDR movies look impressive instead of flat and lifeless. HDMI 2.1, VRR, and a higher refresh rate prepare your TV for future gaming consoles and smoother motion. Solid build quality means fewer hardware problems over time, while a comfortable remote, reliable Wi-Fi, broad app support, and a fast operating system make everyday use far less frustrating. These aren't flashy features you'll notice during a 5-minute showroom demo. but they're the details you'll appreciate thousands of hours later. Ignore these features today, and your TV could feel obsolete long before the screen wears out. With that in mind, let's start with TV number 5 and see why it earned its place. Starting our list at number 5 is the Hisense U7 series, a TV that proves you don't need to spend a fortune to get a genuinely enjoyable long-term viewing experience. For most families, it's an outstanding balance of performance, features, and price. Whether you're watching movies on Friday night, streaming your favorite shows, cheering during football season, or connecting a game console, it handles everyday entertainment far better than most TVs in this price range. Its biggest strengths are excellent brightness, vibrant colors, solid contrast, and impressive gaming support, including HDMI 2.1, VRR, and a 144Hz refresh rate on newer models. Streaming apps load quickly, menus feel responsive, and HDR content has enough punch to make modern movies look exciting instead of dull. For the average household, that's a combination that's hard to beat. One owner described replacing a 5-year-old budget TV with the U7 and being shocked at how much detail they had been missing. Dark scenes suddenly revealed textures they had never noticed, sports looked smoother, and even everyday streaming felt noticeably faster. Still, it's not perfect. Viewing angles aren't ideal for very wide seating arrangements, and while its picture processing is good, it isn't as refined as the TVs higher on this list. Upscaling lower resolution content can also be inconsistent compared with premium competitors. If you're looking for maximum value without crossing the $1,000 mark, this TV deserves serious consideration. But if you demand the very best motion processing, more consistent image refinement, or a truly premium experience that ages even better over time, you'll want to keep watching. That's because TV number 4 fixes almost every weakness this one has. Taking the number 4 spot is the TCL QM7, a TV built for anyone who wants serious gaming performance without paying flagship prices. If you own a PlayStation 5, Xbox Series X, or a capable gaming PC, this is where the value starts becoming difficult to ignore. It includes HDMI 2.1 ports, variable refresh rate, auto low latency mode, and a native 120Hz panel, giving modern games smoother motion, faster response, and a noticeably more immersive feel. Low input lag means your actions appear on screen almost instantly, which can make a real difference in competitive shooters, racing games, and fast-paced sports titles. But this isn't just a gaming TV. Thanks to its mini LED backlighting, impressive brightness, and strong contrast, movies and streaming content also look fantastic. Explosions have real impact. Nighttime scenes retain detail instead of becoming muddy, and HDR content feels far more cinematic than what you'd expect at this price. Whether you're binge-watching a new series or hosting movie night with the family, it delivers an experience that punches above its cost. Of course, gaming features only matter if you'll actually use them. If your primary activity is watching cable news or casual streaming, you may never notice the difference. But if you expect to upgrade your console or keep your TV for years, these features become far more valuable over time. Buying the wrong gaming TV today could lock you out of next-generation features for years. Even so, our number 3 pick offers something this TV simply can't match, especially if your living room is filled with sunlight. If your living room has large windows, plenty of natural light, or the TV is on for most of the day, the Sony Bravia 3 deserves your attention. Some televisions look incredible in a dark showroom, but struggle the moment sunlight fills the room. That's where this model separates itself from many competitors. Its strong brightness, excellent reflection handling, and natural color reproduction keep the picture clear and vibrant even during the brightest afternoons. Instead of seeing your own reflection, you'll spend more time focused on what's actually happening on screen. Sports fans will especially appreciate its consistent motion handling and realistic colors. Whether you're watching football on Sunday, a fast-paced basketball game, or the latest Formula One race, the action stays smooth and easy to follow. Families also benefit because everyone can enjoy streaming, cartoons, movies, and live TV throughout the day without constantly adjusting curtains or dimming the lights. Compared with many OLED TVs, which truly shine in dark home theaters but can sometimes appear less impactful in sunlit rooms, the Bravia 3 is often the more practical everyday choice for bright environments. It may not deliver OLED's perfect black levels, but for many households, the trade-off is well worth it because you'll actually enjoy a consistently better viewing experience where you watch most often. Choosing a TV that matches your room is just as important as choosing the right brand. And while this is an excellent all-around performer, our top 2 TVs deliver an entirely different level of long-term ownership. Claiming the number 2 spot is the Sony Bravia 5, a television that delivers so much premium performance it's easy to forget you're still shopping below the flagship tier. From the moment you turn it on, the difference is obvious. Sony's image processing works behind the scenes to sharpen details, improve lower-resolution content, reduce noise, and create natural motion without making movies look artificial. Whether you're watching an older sitcom, a live sporting event, or the latest blockbuster in HDR, everything feels polished and refined. HDR performance is another major advantage. Bright highlights stand out without overwhelming the picture, while darker scenes preserve subtle details that many cheaper TVs simply lose. Color accuracy is equally impressive, producing realistic skin tones and lifelike landscapes that require very little adjustment straight out of the box. Over time, these qualities matter more than flashy specifications because they're the reason you'll continue enjoying your TV years after the excitement of buying it fades. Sony has also built a strong reputation for dependable software, consistent performance, and reliable long-term ownership. The interface remains smooth, streaming apps stay responsive, and regular updates help extend the life of the television instead of making it feel outdated. Yes, this TV costs slightly more than many alternatives, but that extra investment pays for itself in everyday enjoyment and fewer reasons to upgrade later. Instead of replacing a disappointing bargain after 4 or 5 years, you're far more likely to keep this TV well into the next decade. It's the definition of spending a little more now to save much more over time. Yet despite everything it does exceptionally well, one television still delivers the most complete package under $1,000, and that's our clear number 1. After comparing countless models, weighing real-world ownership against flashy marketing, and looking beyond the showroom floor, our number 1 pick is the TCL QM8. This is the TV that comes closest to delivering a flagship experience without demanding flagship money. It isn't perfect, but it offers the strongest overall balance of picture quality, performance, reliability, and future-proof features that we've seen under the $1,000 mark. The first thing you'll notice is the picture. Thanks to its mini LED technology, outstanding brightness, and excellent local dimming, HDR movies look spectacular. Bright highlights leap off the screen, black levels stay impressively deep, and colors remain rich without appearing exaggerated. Whether you're watching the latest action movie, a nature documentary, or a late-night thriller, the image feels immersive in almost every environment. Performance is equally impressive. Its powerful processor keeps menus responsive, streaming apps launch quickly, and lower-resolution content is cleaned up surprisingly well. Fast motion during sports remains smooth, while gamers benefit from HDMI 2.1, VRR, 120Hz support, and extremely low input lag. Whether you're playing competitive games or simply enjoying a weekend movie marathon, the experience feels consistently premium. Long-term ownership is where the QM8 truly stands out. Its sturdy build quality, reliable software platform, and strong customer satisfaction record suggest it's built to remain enjoyable long after many competitors begin to feel outdated. That's exactly what we're looking for in a television designed to last close to a decade. Of course, no TV is flawless. Viewing angles could be better, and out-of-the-box picture settings may need a little adjustment to reach their full potential. But those are relatively small compromises compared to everything this TV gets right. The reason the TCL QM8 wins isn't because it dominates every single category. It wins because it never falls significantly behind in any of them. It delivers outstanding movies, excellent gaming, beautiful HDR, reliable everyday performance, and genuine long-term value in one complete package. 10 years from now, this is the TV you're least likely to regret buying today. Would this be your pick, or do you think another TV deserves the top spot? Let us know your choice in the comments below. Several TVs came surprisingly close to earning a spot on this list, and for the right buyer, some are still solid choices. But our goal wasn't to find good TVs for today. It was to find TVs you'd still be happy with years from now. That's where these models fell short. Some delivered impressive picture quality, but suffered from slow software that became frustrating over time. Others offered attractive prices, but struggled with weak HDR performance that made movies look flat compared to the winners. A few had excellent specifications on paper, yet raised concerns about long-term reliability or inconsistent quality control between units. We also eliminated models with weaker processors that may feel sluggish as streaming platforms continue evolving, along with TVs offering limited gaming features that could become outdated much sooner. Finally, a handful were simply overpriced, asking you to pay premium money without delivering premium value. These TVs aren't bad, but here's why they weren't good enough for a decade-long investment. When you're spending hundreds of dollars, almost good enough simply isn't good enough. Before you buy any TV, run through this quick checklist because avoiding these mistakes can save you hundreds of dollars and years of frustration. First, never buy based only on price. Cheap today can become expensive tomorrow. Second, don't ignore brightness, especially if your room gets plenty of sunlight. Third, processor quality matters more than most people realize because it affects speed and picture processing every day. Fourth, choose the right screen size for your room instead of automatically buying the biggest option. Fifth, check how many HDMI ports you'll actually need for consoles, soundbars, and streaming devices. Sixth, remember that software updates keep your TV useful long after purchase. Finally, never trust store demos alone. Retail displays are designed to impress, not represent real-world performance. Follow these 7 rules, and you'll dramatically increase your chances of buying a TV you'll still love years later. Let's quickly recap our winners. If you want the best overall combination of performance, longevity, and value, the TCL QM8 takes the crown. Looking for the best budget-friendly investment? The Hisense U7 delivers outstanding features without stretching your wallet. Serious gamers should look closely at the TCL QM7 thanks to its excellent HDMI 2.1 support, 120Hz refresh rate, and low input lag. Families wanting a dependable everyday television will appreciate the Sony Bravia 5 for its balanced performance, reliable software, and refined picture processing. If your room gets plenty of sunlight, the Sony Bravia 3 remains our favorite choice for bright room viewing, while movie lovers who care most about HDR performance and cinematic image quality will get the most satisfaction from the TCL QM8. No television is perfect, but every model on today's list earned its place because it offers genuine long-term value instead of flashy marketing promises. Remember the biggest lesson from this video: a TV isn't cheap if you have to replace it in 4 years. Spending a little more on the right model today can save you hundreds of dollars and countless frustrations down the road. Now we want to hear from you. Which TV do you currently own, and how has it held up over the years? Have you found a hidden gem, or are you dealing with buyer's remorse? Share your experience in the comments because your advice could help someone else make a smarter decision. If this guide saved you time or money, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more honest TV buying advice. And before you buy a TV at Costco or Walmart this year, watch our next video exposing the biggest retailer-exclusive TV traps.